To understand protein synthesis, let's take a look at what happens when proteins are not made correctly. Let's take a look at inherited diseases. One example is cystic fibrosis. Individuals afflicted with cystic fibrosis will have mucus buildup in their lungs. They will have respiratory problems, and the mucus itself is a breeding ground for bacteria. This disease is incurable. Therapy is about all we can offer. A lifespan used to be about 8 years old, and now with medication it's up to 30 years old. 1 in every 2,500 individuals are afflicted with cystic fibrosis. This disease, once again, is inherited. So what did their parents give them to cause this condition? As it turns out, cystic fibrosis is caused by a protein in the cell membrane that doesn't work. And why doesn't this protein work? Because the information for making the protein is wrong. And this information was inherited from the parents. Information is the DNA. Let's see how all this works. So DNA is the information. This then gets turned into a message. We'll call this mRNA. That then gets turned into the product, which is in fact a protein. So it's information to message to product, DNA to mRNA to protein. Relate that big idea to this animation. Let's watch it again and I'll walk you through it. We're going to start here in the nucleus where the information is located. That's the DNA. We turn that into a message. That is the mRNA. That goes to the cytoplasm where it meets up with other molecules. We'll describe these other molecules in detail later on, but in essence what they're going to do is take the message and turn it into the product. They're going to take mRNA and turn it into a protein. So it's hooking together individual amino acids and we're making the polymer known as the protein. That's our final product. Let's look at it again and add more detail. The first step is known as transcription. The second step is known as translation. So this information you get from your parents, this code of life, is really a code for making proteins. And that's it. That's pretty simple.